guys, welcome to Jumbo Home Ventures. My name is Benson, and today I'm going to show you what 23.6 million will get you in Kileleshwa. Come on. This is a 4-bedroom apartment. It's located in the heart of Kileleshwa, which is built with elegance. And as you can see, the finishes are top notch. First of all, we're going to start here with in the living room right here. As you can see, it's staged pretty well. Over there you got some cabinets. I think this is stuck to the wall. This one is movable, but I don't think this comes with the apartment. Then we can move on to the kitchen area, which is quite spacious because you can see it's not like the one we saw last week. This one in itself has more space. It has breathers, such that if you're putting cereals here, you can get to aerate. That right here is the cooker and the oven. You got the fridge space right here. You got the vent. You got more cabinetry. And then moving on, we're gonna go to the living area. It's quite open, as you can see. You feel like you're home. Right there, it's a quote-unquote fireplace that comes with the house. It's an artificial fireplace. And then right here, you move out of the balcony. For some reason, they did not build this balcony all the way there, so you get to stay within your compound. They still have this kids prevention. They still have this here for kids prevention, not to jump onto the fence, and because we are on the second. I believe we are on the second story. So, moving on, we can go to the actual master bedroom, so I can show you how gorgeous it is. As you can pass by here, you can see what's going on over here. The gypsum. This is the master bedroom, as you can see it. It is quite spacious. And what they have done is they have extended on this side here on the balcony, which has become a part of the bedroom. And it's raised. If you ask me, this is quite elegant. As you're sitting here in the morning, you wake up and you come on this side, you forget all about your problems. The curtains here are hidden curtains. So, you don't get to see a lot of that. You got enough cabinetry here. And then you got more cabinetry. And then this is the master shower. And then this is a master washroom right here. The lighting is also good. And then we're gonna go to one of the bedrooms. Let's say you can say this is a kid's bedroom. It has a small study area right there. They still have a view out there to the city. It's overlooking Nairobi City, and you can see it's not far from here. All the skyscrapers in Nairobi are right there. So as you can see right here, this is also pretty well lit. It's very spacious. And then you get to this right here. This is a different bedroom. I think this could be suitable for a guest bedroom because it's far away from the master bedroom, and it has its own shower as well as a bathroom as well and a sink, and it's quite spacious too. So this is good for a guest. The one that we left here did not have the washroom. Then we move into one of the other bedrooms, which is even more spacious right here. And as you can see, the finishes, oh my goodness. You got access to the balcony right here. This is where you don't want the kids who can sneak out here. You want the kids who are docile to take this one. It has its own washroom as well as a shower. So then we move on to the cabinetry. pretty good. Then we go to the corridor. We come on this side. This is a common washroom, common shower. It has everything that you need right here. Then we can go to the laundry area, which is located right here. So this is quite impressive because this is a stacked washer and a dryer, and it's 2-in-1. You got more cabinetry to put all your towels and other clothes and fabrics and the soaps and everything. You can wash your hands right here. And then right here, it's access to balcony. They'll close it off here for the safety of the kids. And you're overlooking on the other side, and you can see all the greenery that you can see on that side. They have plenty of units left here for 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms. So, contact Jambo Home Ventures to secure your place or to secure your viewing. This unit only goes for 23.6 million if you pay cash. Now, if you pay in installment, it might go a little bit higher, but as you can see, it's worth it. You can rent this unit for about 220,000 Kenya shillings per month. That's quite impressive. You start making your money back right away. Now, you can also live here because they have quite options quite a number of options when it comes to amenities. So we're gonna head on over to the amenities and then we'll check them out. As you can see, the construction is still going on. The pool is going to be located right about here. The gym is going to be located right about where there's stuff going on over here. And I believe the kids' play area is going to be somewhere right about there. And then we can go to the utilities. The utilities are right somewhere there where there is Mabatis, the 24-hour backup generator. And there's gonna be some restrooms right about there. And I think that concludes our tour for today. I'm inviting you to come and check these units out before they run out. They've already sold all 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. They already left with 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms. So hurry up and come get them before the prices start going up. See you later. See you on the next one.